So already we have done 3 experiments, and
Yes,
now we
sir.
are going to another one experiment we are going to do at the 4th experiment. But can anyone tell the 3 experiment done? What are those experiments? Please tell.
Sir,
What is
conservation
the
of
first
mechanical
Experiment
energy.
1, 2, and 3.
Yes, what is the first experiment?
So sensor calibration and
Linear regression.
linear regression.
Sensor calibration and linear regression. Then what is the second one?
Conservation
Conservation of mechanical energy.
Regression of and what is the third one?
Newton's second
Verifying
law.
Newton laws.
Verification of Newton's second law of motion. So now, can you tell what sensor we used in sensor calibration and linear regression?
Dual range force sensor.
In conservation of mechanical energy, what sensor we used?
Sir, motion sensor.
Motion detector.
Yes, sir.
Then in third experiment, that is Newton's second law verification, what sensors we used?
Dual range force sensor.
One sensor and another is
Motion sensor.
Accelerometer.
accelerometer. Dual length force sensor and low G accelerometer, which measure the vertical acceleration only. Similarly, today we are going to do the experiment is measurement of acceleration due to gravity in the laboratory. So in the laboratory we are sitting here, we are going to measure the acceleration we feel is how much. So for that, before we do, have you written name of the experiment, materials required, observation table in your copy?
No, sir.
No, sir, we have
So
received the manual yet.
take out your rough copy and write down name of the experiment. Here you write aim of the experiment. How? Here you write aim of the experiment, materials required. Okay. So this much you write first. All of you please write down this much.
Sir, please send us the lab manual through our mail. Please send us the lab manual through our mail.
It has not been sent till now.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Or,
No, sir, not sent.
okay, we are telling to start to send this today. What you write in your rough copy these things first. After writing, you respond. Right? Aim of the experiment, materials required. Then we'll tell you about the theory. हाँ एटा एथि कॉपी पेस्ट कर देले मतलब समझ से एटा को कॉपी पेस्ट कर देले ये एडिटिंग कर दे हां पेस्ट कर दे चैप्टर written. Hello. Are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Sir, just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, after writing one of you please respond. ତାଙ୍କର ଏଇ ସେନ୍ସର କାମ ହେଉଛି ଏଇଭଳିଆ କୋଉ ସେନ୍ସର ଲାଇବ୍ରେରୀ
Completed, sir.
Okay. Then write down working formula. All of you write down working formula. Write. Give the heading working formula. Equation of motion टा भी करते हैं.
Sir, please scroll down.
हाँ. अंदर पाँच वास्ता. You see. Please write down this in your theory. Equation of motion y is equal to t square plus bt plus y zero.
Sir, after the materials required, what to write, sir, now?
The working formula.
Which
The
one?
working formula to write this what I have selected. Equation of motion y is equal to t square plus bt plus y zero.
That one you mark, that only, na, sir?
Yes, yes. Written.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then write down d square y by dt square is equal to 2a. After writing equation of motion, then write down d square y by dt square is equal to 2a.
Yes, sir.
Then write down so value of g. Yes.
Can you say the formula again?
Formula we have written here. We have selected.
After that.
After that, double derivative of that equation d square y by dt square is equal to 2a.
Okay, sir.
Then write down so value of g is equal to 2a.
Sir, double derivative, na? You say?
Yes. Written.
Yes, sir.
Then make observation table and write this table. Equation टा लिख दे बरनी equation टा काट दे ला मीठ ना नहीं तोड़े equation टा मीठ select करेंगे कट कर दे राइट क्लिक कट करते ले जाओ कट देखो पेस्ट डिलीट कर दे ले हाँ डिलीट कर दें चीज़ कट कर ले जाओ नहीं कर डिलीट मत ले जाओ बा राइट है It will. Share potential. Super होगा सीटा तब काटा सीटा सीटा चेक करेगा इसको आगे ऐसे ही डिप्लोमेसी observation table written.
No, sir. Just wait.
Yes, after the observation table, you respond. Do not write conclusion. You will write another two things. Then you will write conclusion. So after the observation table, please respond.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
Then write down time, position, data.
Next edit.
Next, after observation table, write down time, position, data.
Sir, can you repeat?
Time, T-I-M-E, time, position. Time, position, data. D-A-T-A, data. Written?
Yes, sir.
Then leave 7 lines. Leave 7 lines. Then write down percentage of error. Heading. After leaving 7 to 8 lines, write down percentage of error. Then you leave another 2 lines. Then write down conclusion. सर ऐड कर देले काउंट व्यक्ति की विथ स्टैंडर्ड एरर व्यक्ति की
Sir, after percentage error, what to write?
conclusion.
Okay, sir.
Standard error. Plain error with standard. It has to first out here. ಇದನ್ನ over 6% ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದು ನಾನು ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ error 5% space আছে এটা এই করতে হবে আমরা বলতে আগে এটা স্পেস আছে এটা পরে আমি লিখলে কি হবে না Time position data.
Sir,
Yes,
after the double derivative, what did you detect? Can you repeat, please?
I told so value of D is 2A.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
এটা is equal to না সেটা হেডিং পাল্টে দেওয়া তাহলে তো করি is equal to certain is equal to কাটে দিই বাস
Sir, while writing in the fair record, we should write in this way, just like you detect.
just the same format I have given, no need to
Uh,
take much more.
and for the theory part, we don't need.
The thing that is to be written, we told you that much only to be written, nothing more.
Okay, sir.
Sir, everything is same in observation copy and fair copy. Only there is difference in graph, right, sir?
Yes, graph is to be tested in the white side, nothing more. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. सब लिखे देखे नहीं था बस कल देखें तो बस गैप डेटा पे सर so all of you have written this.
Yes, sir.
So now we
Yes.
go to this experiment part. हाँ सर ଏଇଥର କରୁଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ ଘଣ୍ଟାକୁ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଫେରୁ ମାରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଇଟା କୋଉଟା ସକାଳଟା ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଦିନଟା ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଗଲା ବେଳଟା ବି ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଜିର So, as we told and you have already written, the today's experiment we are going to do is a sensor measurement of acceleration due to gravity in the laboratory. So for this, what we do, we are going to take the sensor is called photogate. Now, another thing also we are going to take that is called etiquette. I am showing that. You see, this is called photogate. I am showing this sensor is called photogate. Could you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
And This is a picket. This is called a picket. This is looking like a scale. So this is a picket having black and transparent position placed alternatively. So now, if we count, you see, we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 transparent positions are there, having black position placed near to that. So now what you see, just observe to the screen, I am making this picket travel inside this sensor. So you could able to see, a light is blinking. Are you able to see?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
So this light is called infrared light. So what we see now, when this black patch is coming near to the sensor, this is not able to pass. This infrared light is not able to pass through black. But when white position comes, the light passes. So when we make it travel, we see the light, because whenever these black positions are coming near to that, there it is getting an obstacle. So now what we do, as we counted there are 7 transparent positions, simply we have to hold up this sensor perfectly horizontal to the ground. Then we have to take this picket and make it vertical to the ground. Then please listen, we must maintain minimum 5 to 6 centimeter gap from this sensor to the lower end of the picket. And after that, we have to run the program, and the moment we run the program, within 5 seconds of time, we have to make it free fall, such that it travels perfectly vertically inside the sensor. So as we told, these 7 positions are here of which light is passing. If these 7 positions travel through this sensor perfectly, then automatically we will observe a pop-up is on the screen. So this is all total a hit and trial method. So what we have to do, we have to hold this in horizontal position, hold it in vertical position, run the program, make it free fall, again run the program, make it free fall. Like this, we will continue this process till the pop-up is on the screen. Once the pop-up is on the screen, that will indicate us that these 7 transparent positions is traveled through the sensor perfectly according to our program design. So we have to repeat it, and once we get it, what we'll see, now we'll get a graph, and there we'll see 7 dots are there, and we'll see a parabolic curve. So now, as these 7 positions are traveling inside this, obviously to travel these 7 positions, it is requiring some time. So we'll transfer this time position data to Excel. And there, selecting this, we'll plot a graph, and from there, we'll get a polynomial equation which you have written in your observation table, y is equal to at square plus bt plus c. So after you get this equation, what you do, you have already written g is equal to 2a. So twice the coefficient of t square is nothing but the value of g. That is the second derivative of this equation, y is equal to at square plus bt plus c. I am telling it is written y0. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So like this, we will be continuing to take a series of equations, around 5 equations. So as we are taking these 5 equations, obviously we will get 5 values of g. And after we get these 5 values, add up these 5, divided by 5, you will get a mean value of g. Then,
Sir,
yes.
sir, why 5 values?
So you can take one value also. You can take one value also, but we told if you take 5 or 6 or 3 values or equations and you take the accuracy for getting this mean value, we take it as accuracy. So you might have you used screw gauge or slide caliper in plus 2?
Yes, sir.
Have you used
Sir.
screw gauge or slide caliper in the plus 2 or 11th class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how many observations you take? Only once or 5 times to take the diameter or the anything you want to find out? Tell me. Generally, minimum 5 observations you take to find out the mean value to get the accuracy. For better accuracy, we do this. Or else with one equation also you can find the value of g. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Let us go to the program now and run the program. And from the beginning we tell you, my dear, please listen. It is totally hit and trial method. You expect from me that once I make it free fall, in one slot I get the pop-up. I may even take 5 or 2 or 2 or 3 slots to get this pop-up on the screen. So let us observe it. Answer your what to program. This is your program. Now you run the program and drop that picket. Jets are shown you. Okay. I am running the program. You have got 2 points. You have to repeat that again. Run the program, and you have to drop that picket again.
I think your video is off. Nothing is visible.
You are not getting the screen.
Yes, sir. The
Screen is visible.
screen is visible, but you the experiment you are doing, that is not visible.
That you can't see.
Yes, sir.
Now you see, this is the pop-up. Sir told you already. This is the pop-up. Okay. Here, if you cancel this, then you can get this parabola. So you see, count the number of dots, my dear. Is it not 7? Our picket was having 7 transparent
Yes, sir.
positions.
Switch
So
on your video, sir.
yes, better.
Please switch on your video, sir, so that we can see how you are doing that.
Okay, we'll do. So see now. No, no, transfer. You first export the data to the Excel sheet. After exporting this, make this position in meter. Its position in meter. Time in second. After this, you have to plot the graph between time and position again to get that equation. Okay. How to plot, you know? Insert. Scatter. Then the dotted. You have got. After this, it will be here right click. Then you know what you have to do. Add trend line. What type of equation you have got here? linear exponential,
Polynomial.
polynomial. Select there, then display equation on chart, close, and you can see the equation there. This is the equation. This is your first equation. Okay, let's make this little bit bigger. Now you see, this is the, let us make this x to t. Then we change this to t square, and this will be your p. Now after this, we have to plot this graph. So in the graph, what we do, you have to write down this data and position data table. Make a table like this in time position data. In time position data. So I told you now, you have to take some spaces to plot a table like this. So write this in time position data heading. Got it?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, this is position of which point, sir? In the picket?
In the picket, I'll show you. Just listen, I'll show you now. Just now you see, this is time in second, position in meter. So while writing, you can write up to 4 decimal. 0.0380, 0.0717, like this you can write. And after that, you have to plot this graph. So that graph, how to plot and what the scale you should take, that we are also giving you. And after that, I will show you that picket and we will discuss. 0. So what you do? So now what you do? You must plot the axis first, x-axis and y-axis. Then in x-axis you should write time in time in second. Please write down. In x-axis you'll write time in second, and y-axis you'll write position in meter. Then the right corner of the graph will write scale. X-axis. Can you take x-axis 10 small division? How much you have taken?
0.025.
0.025 what?
Meter?
Second, time.
Yes, sir. Second, yes, sir.
And y-axis, 10 small division is 0.025
Meter.
meter. Bas. So like this, we'll do. So write down this, then we'll show you.
So first we'll make the table.
Yes, beta?
First we will make the table.
Data. The time position data heading we have given, na?
Yes, sir.
There you paste this time in second, position in meter, and this data. Make this table and write down this data. After that, you have to plot this graph according to this scale.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now you see the screen. Yes.
Sir, you tell just to write this table now only.
Yes. No, no, no. I told you to write the table and plot this graph in your graph paper.
Now we will do the graphs, sir.
Yes. After that, we'll check your sum of your graphs, and after that, we'll go to take other observations.
Okay, sir.
Sir, first observation you have to make graph.
Yes.
First observation we have to make graph.
You are not audible. Don't write this in observation table. Write down this in data position. Make a table and write down these things. And this equation is to be pasted in the observation table. Clear?
Sir, I am telling that
Yes.
graph.
Sir, can you show the procedure again, please? How did you do that?
What? Okay. You can show that you first write the data, plot the graph, we will show you again and again. 4 to 5 times we will show. Okay? This one you want to see. Or you want to see that process. You show that process again and again. What process you want to see, dear? Tell.
Just now you did not the flicker you the picket you for free fall, that process I want to see.
It is like this. Free fall.
Yes, sir. So how many times we have to
In one time, 2 times, or 20 times.
so
This is the
मतलब में जब तक वो ग्राफ नहीं आता है तब तक ये करना है ना?
yes, yes. जब वो vertically सीधा vertically fall करेगा, then you can get that performance or that graph.
Sir, we are getting position of which point of the picket? Which points of the picket?
The obstacle point. Yes, you see. The black one. Yes. Because through the transparent the light can pass. Where the light can't pass, you can see the blinking one.
Okay,
Can you
sir.
see the blinking light here?
Yes,
If
sir.
I put my hand at the blink, otherwise. You see this transparent part. This transparent part can be detected by the sensor, not this opaque part. That's why you can blink, the light blinks here. You see, once you blink that, the opaque part, then the light blinks. Okay. So these 7 positions, through these 7 positions, light is passing. So their data are detected by the sensor. So many of you might have done this burglar's alarm project in 12th or plus 2. The same process is here. So now we are showing you the graph. Please all of you finish up this. Then we'll do. Only one graph we have to do, not all.
Okay, sir.
Only one graph, that is here. We have already shown that one. Taking this observation, you have to write down this in your data position, make this table, then using this observation you have to plot this graph by taking these units. How much time? How much time you require to do this graph?
Half an hour.
So 8 minutes.
10 minutes?
So we are giving you 15 minutes time. Do it.
Sir, what is the scale we have to take? Hello, sir.
Yes, what's your problem?
Sir, what scale we have to take?
Okay, you see this graph and you then will tell you. So now you see in x-axis 0 to 0.025. How many divisions there?
Sir, 10 divisions will be in the
Then we
graph.
have 0.025 second. Time in second. So x-axis scale is how much dear can you tell?
Sir, 10 divisions will be 0.025 seconds.
Second. So similarly y-axis will be how much?
10 divisions equal to 0.025 what
What?
is
Zero
this?
to five?
Meter.
Yes, very good. So you understood it?
Yes, sir,
Here,
yes, sir.
here just below this part, here you have to write time in second. Here you have to write position in meter. Here you have to write scale. In x-axis, 10 small division is equal to 0.025 second. In y-axis, 10 small division is equal to 0.025 meter. Then this equation. After
Okay, sir,
that,
okay.
G. After this equation, we have to write the value of G. Got it? Or any doubt?
It is clear, sir, okay.
Okay. Finish it, then tell.
Start done.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in
You
x-axis,
understood?
sir, in x-axis, can we use scale as 20 small division equal to 0.025 seconds?
Yes, very good, very good. You can take. This is a very nice thing you have told. You will get a very nice graph. Bigger one.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Very good, very good.
Sir, in all other experiment also we can do the same.
No, we are talking about today's experiment. First of
Okay, sir.
all, we have to see the minimum and maximum range up to how much it lies the graph. Accordingly, we will take. We told you, like in every classes, we are telling you that to take this scale. Not the same for each and every graph. For example, if this position would have been up to how much? Let's say 20. Then can we take 0.025? Then we would have been taken 10 small division is it 2 or 1 or 1 with 20 division to get difficult. So we must take 2. So accordingly, we have to decide how much scale we should take such a way that we can get a enlarged figure. Okay? You try to
Yes,
use
sir.
the maximum part of the graph paper. Okay? You take the scale accordingly. Finish it and type.
Sir, can you show the table, please, just for a second? Okay, okay, sir.
So x scale 10 small division equal to 0.025 ନେଲେ ଅସୁବିଧା ହବ?
What?
Sir, x axis ରେ 10 small division equal to 0.025 second. କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ହବ?
So that scale we have given. So you
Yes.
can take that, and if you want to enlarge it like another student told he wants to take 20, that is very nice. You
So,
can just
sir,
in the process of the plot the graph. That's up to you how to take the scale. If given a minimum decorum how to plot that graph, and if you take it is not wrong, it is good. Okay.
so I finished the graph, but I take x axis 10 small division equal to
Okay,
0.02.
you want to show now?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
show? Sibun,
Yes, sir.
can you show it now? Show it better. Make this still. Make it still. It is blurring. Make it still. It is good, but let's still one. So make this still. You have not written the coordinates. Write the coordinates
No.
of what the points? Coordinates with 7 points.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Then have you written time in second?
Yes, sir. Here.
Yes. Then have you written position in meter?
Here, sir.
Then have you written the scale?
Here.
Have you written equation? Equation.
Yes, sir. There.
Where is the equation? Equation, beta, equation. That is not the equation. Y is equal to 4.94, that equation.
I
T
written
square.
in the pencil, sir. Here. I also written.
Okay. Then have you written the value of G?
No, 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 sir.
That you put. Okay. I don't know
Okay,
things.
sir.
Or else everything is
Thank
correct.
you.
It's a good graph.
Thank you, sir.
Beauty. Did yourself simple. Se koya agar auto nahi diya tha. Se kahan to nahi. Agar nahi diya tha. Betul. Itu kita.
So can you show the word page that equation?
Which one? What do you want to see?
The table.
Oh, you want to show your graph? Something I think.
No, sir. In your screen, the table.
You have not written that part. Okay. Write it. We will go to the next observation. Then, like this, we'll complete the equations first. Then we'll go on checking your graphs one by one. So let
Graph done, sir.
Yes, you have completed. Okay. Asutosh. Asutosh, you are able to. Can you show the graph, Asutosh? I think you are having some problem in your mic or net. So mute work. Yes, you can show. Don't chat. Yes. Voice can. Voice can. You can
Yes, sir.
show.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Don't chat. Just wait. I am pinning you. Mute the still. It's not visible clearly. Mute the still is blurry. It is not a straight line. A parabolic one. Yes, can.
Sir, it's parabolic, but looking like a straight line.
Okay. But some problem might be there. It is not visible. Some are. It is okay. Correct one. Mute karo beta. It is correct one. Correct one. You right. Then let's move to the second observation. Okay. Then we'll see your graph. Here, we have already done this one in meantime. In the meantime, while you are busy in your writing, here don't save. Then again you got this one. After the right click on any point, export data to Excel by similar process. You can open this data and plot the graph. By inserting, scattering, and this. After that, to click on any point, right click on any point, add trend line, go to polynomial, just like the previous one, display equation on chart, then close. This is your equation. Let's make this a little bit bigger.
Sir, can you show again, please? I was disconnected.
You're disconnected?
What are you showing, sir? Can I know? How to plot the graph? That only, na, sir?
Okay, okay, yes. Yes,
Okay, okay.
you have to take the time in x-axis and the position in y-axis. Select this data, then go to insert. After insert, scatter, then this dotted line. Okay. You see the dotted lines. Then you click on any point of the dotted line here. Then add trend line. The previous one just like the previous one. Polynomial display equation on chart. Close. Okay. Clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
So now what we will do, we will not write this time position data now. Only we will write this equation in observation table. Is it okay to you all? Are you getting or not?
So first we write the previous one and then this one in the observation table. Previous equation and now this equation. Okay,
The
sir.
previous one is your this one. This equation should be written for the observation number 1. Now write down this equation for observation number 2. Okay? Got it?
Sir, so the 5 times we have to write only the equation.
Five equation only. You have to take 5 readings and write down this 5 equation on your observation table. Got it?
Sir,
Yes.
we will make only one graph, then we will
Yes, yes. Yes, only have to plot the first graph. Only have to plot the first graph.
okay. Then other 5 equations we have to just write the equations.
Only the equation you need to write on your observation table. Not all the graphs. Okay?
Sir, same we will do for the time and position table.
No need of writing the other parts. Only you have to write down the equations.
First one.
The first one you have to write down this time in second, position in meter, that in data, time, position and data.
Yes, sir. We will need to write it once only.
Only once.
Yes, sir.
So this is our observation 2. Write down this observation. This is your observation 2. Write down this in your table.
So can you check the graph?
What?
The graph.
Do you want to show you a graph? We'll see at a time. We'll see later on. You just go to the next observation. This is third observation. You see. Now I'll clear this graph and repeat that process. Purely hidden trial method. Just have to run the program and sir will drop that one.
Switch on your video, sir.
We have got 2 points here. Again,
Sir,
if you
please
take
switch on your video.
what?
Please switch on your video.
You can't say this. You are doing this on the lower part. Okay. Just listen, my dear. I am holding this here. You cannot see it because we cannot take it up to so height. So I am keeping it here and I am making it a drop. Okay. So you cannot see it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. If you make that high, then you can see that. Otherwise, but so high you cannot curve because it will break. It is a simply a fiber one, so it will break. So it is to be made so low, so our camera cannot detect it. So you cannot see it.
Okay.
You just wait. Got 2 points. Yes, it's correct. You see, got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have got the observation. You see. In second time, no, third time, third time, no. So twice, no, third slot, but this is third observation. This is your third observation. You have got this in second chance, I mean. Okay. Then, by similar process, you see, you listen, export to Excel. From that Excel, you plot the graph to get that equation only. Select that part, insert, scatter, this one. After that, you can click on any point. You click on any point, add trend line, polynomial, display equation on chart, close. Then this is your equation. Okay. Write down this equation in your observation table for fourth reading. T करता है. This is third reading. T करता है. फिर T expected. हाँ. ठीक है. Yes. I'll make this T in place of X. Okay. Yes. How to do that's T. T. Yes. H. Okay, this write down this equation as your third reading. Are you getting?
Yes, sir, done.
Written. Then let's move to the fourth observation. By similar process, you see, I am just clearing this graph. Now go points. Two points. No. Let's apply the reverse process. Let's.
Sir, why we need to cancel the pop-up one?
Otherwise, you have to save that one. You can save. We are cancelling it because you don't want to save so much data in this system. For that purpose, you should give a name to the file, ABCD, whatever it is, then you should save it. Okay? Okay, next observation will save it and show you. The similar process exported, then plot the graph here, insert, scatter, then pattern line, polynomial, display equation, then idea for it. Right, and this is your fourth equation. Okay. Let's continue more data. The video is containing more data. Yes, that's right. Make this off. Clear content. You have written this fourth reading?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I will go to the fifth one. You see, now I am clearing this one. To clear the graph by simple process, we run the program. got 2 points, again 2 points. 4 points you see different direction. 2 points, 2 points. Yes, give a name. Yes, see, let us give a name G. G. G the one and okay G. Okay. Okay. You listen. We ask. So now this time we are not cancelling it. We are saving it. Guide by giving a name like yes. Got it or not? So, bas. Whose question is this? Okay, good. Okay, right click, present process. Right click, export to Excel. Load the graph, insert, scatter, dot. So sorry. Then add a line. Then display equation. You see, this is your fifth equation, right? Okay. After that, you see in the tabulation here, evident the 5 equation, then find the value of G. Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
After
Yes,
that,
sir.
find the mean value. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After
Yes.
getting this mean value, we have told you this time position that we have written on the first observations. Then you have to calculate the error. Please do this one and tell us, then we can tell you what you have to do after that. Okay? Yes or no?
Which one we have to do now, sir?
What?
We have to determine the G now.
Yes, you see from this table, we have written 5 different equations, then find the value of G is equal to 2A, then find the mean of this here. After that, you have to find out the percentage of error. Okay?
Yes.
Any doubt?
The value of G mean find, sir.
Yes, beta. What?
The value of G got
How much you got?
9.8724.
Find out the percentage of error.
Yes, sir.
9.8, listen, 9.8 minus your object value by 9.8, take the whole modulus into 100. Such that this will not be negative. If it is bigger, then take the modulus.
Sir, done.
Who? So your graph?
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, I am in doing mobile, but graph is in laptop. So,
They plot the graph in hard copy in graph paper,
okay, sir.
not in laptop or desktop. Okay.
Sir, graph is done and main has come. Now what to do?
Yes, you show your graph. Let's see what you have plotted.
Okay, 1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Can you see, sir?
No, but just wait. Just wait. Cycle dash. Yes, circle. It is not visible. Make that still. It is blurring. Nothing is visible. Nothing is visible. Make this still. It is shaking. You fix it in a copy and show.
Yes, sir. I did it in a copy only.
Then why you
Wait,
yes,
sir.
yes, make that still. Make that still. It is visible somehow.
Wait a minute, sir. I'll show.
Mute yourself.
Done, sir.
Mute yourself. Azutosh. Azutosh, mute yourself. Shivam, do you
Yes,
understand?
sir. Come. Yes, sir.
Okay. To present. Sagar, you mute yourself. Okay,
Yes.
just wait. Not both. Shivam, you saw the letter on. Sagar, let's go. Shivam, you wait. Let's see by Sagar's. Yes. Yes, Sagar, you should write the coordinates. You have not written the 7 x and y coordinates of these points.
Yes, sir. I have
Graph
written.
is okay. Rest thing is okay. Okay, you have to write down the coordinates of those points. And value of g you
Yes,
have
sir.
not written.
I have written all that. Yes, sir. See.
Well, we have not done any coordinates. There is no coordinates of point.
Yes, sir. The points and x coordinates I have written. Maybe it is not clearly visible, but I have written. See.
But your x-axis is visible. But you see, last got upper point. This one you see. Last got upper. Last got one you see. You should not join that point. Make that straight.
Also,
A little bit. It is a parabolic parabol. This is not parabol. You have joined this one. Zigzag line, just like zigzag one. You have got this point. Okay. Last got one.
okay, sir.
This point.
I have to write the coordinates. Okay, I got it. Sir.
And write the value of g after writing the equation.
Where, sir?
Here, on the graph itself, the equation you have taken, the value of that equation of g is you write.
Okay, sir. I'll.
Yes. Mute yourself, sir. Shivam. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can show. Just do it. Yes, it is visible. Yes, it is a nice graph.
Thank you, sir.
You all say, everybody say this, but Shivam, your graph is very okay, but you have to little bit expand this scale, little bit more in both axes, so that this will be more clear.
Okay, sir.
Shivam, do you understand what I am telling you?
Yes, sir.
You expand both the axes, x-axis as well as y-axis, double.
Okay, sir.
Rest work is your okay. You have to write down here the equation here
Yes, sir.
and the value of g. Yeah, you have written that, but just like the neat and clean part here you have to write. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just near to that y-axis here, at this blank space. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And the rest work is very good.
Thank
Which
you, sir.
activity coach? Shivam.
Yes, sir.
Okay. करो. Mute करो.
So can you show graph?
आशुतोष. Not visible at all. Yes, yes, yes. Make that still. Yes, it is probably word. Okay. You have to write. You have written the equation on the graph sheet, graph paper. Asutosh. Okay, this is the equation, I think.
Yes, sir, I am written.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Let's mute yourself.
Excuse me, sir.
Akash.
Yes, sir. Can I show my graph?
Yes, very good. Go ahead. Just wait, Akash. I'm pinning you. Make that still, did not visible. Yes. Make that still, not visible at all. Okay. I think you have some network problem.
Okay, sir. Just a minute.
And the virtual background it will be small.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir. Now.
Nothing but nothing is visible to me.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Session is video. Okay, okay. Just make that still.
Remove your virtual background.
It is not visible.
Okay.
I think you are not getting the network properly. Akash?
Yes, sir. Just a minute. I'm trying.
Cancel the virtual background, Akash. You are using the virtual background, so it is not showing.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Okay. To present yourself.
Yes.
Now it is visible. Yes. Okay, let's see. You have written all the coordinates, very good. You have written the equation. You listen. You have to write down this equation just near to this x-axis, y-axis. Okay. There is some
Okay, sir.
space here. Write down that. That will be neat and clean. Just show me the lower part of this axis. X-axis is show me. Make it a little bit upper. Yes. Time in second. Very good. Very good. Just show me that axis better. मैं little bit upper होगा axis, right? Top right करना, yes. X axis 20 division 0.025 second, Y axis 20 division 0.025 meter, 0.05. Okay, it's very good. And so that point against make little bit upper, upper.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. You all see, you have to plot the graph like this. Okay, another thing is see 0.166 and something it is. I think this point you have to avoid this point to get the next one. Last but one you see this one. Akash,
Yes, sir.
please make this straight. It is little bit kick. Okay, I
Actually,
think
what happens na sir, the last point is coming like that only, just a little bit.
that doesn't matter. That's just go near that point. Na? That's okay. Very good. Okay. Little bit make this, little bit changes this. Okay. The rest what will you verify. Immediate yourself. Anybody else? Do you have completed? Okay, Saswat. Make that still, Saswat.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have written the coordinates. Very good. This bloody. Make that still.
Yes, sir.
This is the. You have not written the scale, I think.
Yes, sir. Above here.
Okay. Then you have to write down the equation. You have written the equation.
Yes, sir. Down here.
No, don't write down on the down part. You just so many here. You listen. You have to write the equation here. Here, just near to that y-axis the vacant place. Okay. Can you see this part?
Okay, sir.
Write the equation
Okay,
here
sir.
and the value of g also here. The rest all is very fine. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. And the previous graph, you have shown the previous graph. Time and energy graph, position energy graph, or your Newton second law M1 M2 graph you have shown.
No, sir. I have not shown.
Can you show now? Saswat.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just wait and tell me. Okay. This is which graph? In not at all visible like that still, just like the previous one. Not visible at all. Make that still. That is second. I think your hand is trembling a second. Which graph is this? Okay. What is the slope we have got for M2?
1.1905.
Okay. Then we have got that error. What is the M1 value we have got from there? From the first graph? Can you show your M1 graph? What is the M1 value you
What is
have
the
got?
M1? Yes, sir. 0.8714.
0.87 M1.
Yes, sir.
No, that will be too much, or more. That will be less, something less. I think I have not plotted that straight line properly. That's why I got that much of slope. Okay.
Okay, sir. I will check again.
Okay. You please check M1 in search over there. You can get that in between 6 and 7.
Okay, sir.
Plot the straight line properly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And the energy graph we have shown. Time versus energy, we have shown that. Yes, this is position versus energy. Make this still little bit blurry.
It is not visible at all. No, it is not visible at all. Your hand is shaking, I think. Make that still or constant. We plot the graph with free hand. Position versus energy graph. EK and EP graph we have plotted with free hand.
Only the parabola free hand.
Okay. And the total
The
energy graph.
parabola with free hand.
Total energy with the help of the scale. The total energy
Sir,
one.
that's a straight line.
There should be a straight line with the help of the scale you have plotted or not?
Yes, sir.
Shastra?
With the scale.
Yes. Okay. That's
Yes,
all.
sir.
And the time versus energy? We will expand this x-axis so that your graph will be visible. Or else I told you now you left this. This portion should
Okay,
be
sir.
left. So that your graph will start from that x-axis, that is from the what? Zero of that y-axis. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
The rest part is okay, I think. Mute yourself.
Yes.
Anybody else?
Yes, sir, I can from.
Sagar, yes.
Just a minute, sir.
Okay. You get ready and tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sujana video.
Yes, sir. It's on the first one.
Okay, it's very good.
Yes, another is
But the second experiment, you see, you have plotted the graph properly, but I told you another thing. You at least write 5 points for time versus EK. Here you have to write EK. This is a what? Kinetic energy graph.
yes,
And this
yes,
will
sir.
be your huh?
Potential energy. That is total energy graph. Oh, and the upper one,
No,
upper
no.
step line is total energy. And
This is started from the maximum. Why it started from the maximum? That is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy
yes,
will be,
yes.
I think, here. You have to write here EK. Okay.
Okay,
Similarly,
okay,
you write here EP. And
okay.
another thing, Sagar, is so at least 5 coordinates in each and every plot or every graph for EK, for EP, and for E. At least 5 coordinates. And you
Okay,
have
sir.
made the straight line with the help of the scale. Very good. You show at least whether that lies on the graph or not, that doesn't matter. But you have to show at least 5 observations in the graph paper for one plot. Okay.
Yes, sir. Next time I will do.
Next
And
one.
this one.
Make this constant. It's good. The same thing we have not done here also.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Only the
I'll write the coordinates.
5 coordinates at least. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For each and every plot. For kinetic energy graph, for potential energy graph, for total energy graph. At least write 5 coordinates.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Next one. Then your Newton's law graph.
This one
This
is
is
for
for
computer.
M2.
Yes, sir. And
What is the value?
I'm not finding, sir. I am finding it, but not getting. Where did I put that? I did it, but I am not finding that.
Listen, you take any 2 points on that straight line and find, let the two points are, let P and Q. Let coordinates of P are x1, y1, in coordinates of q1, x2, y2. Then y2 minus r1 by x2 minus x1. Then in that manner, you have to find out the slope.
Yes, sir.
That slope will be
Yes, sir. I got the slope 1.1905.
very good. It's very nice.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I
And
did
also, okay.
I did the graph for M1, but I am not getting that graph, sir. I think I may lose it. Uh, I'm finding but not getting that.
Okay, clear. You find and when you get is slow. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You mute yourself. Anybody else?
Sir, can I show?
Yes? Deep.
Sir, yes, sir.
Sujan, your video and so share.
1 minute, sir.
Okay. Just wait, I'm cleaning you. Okay.
Sir, is it visible?
Fast,
This is for
deep,
first experiment.
fast explain. Okay, very good. Go to the next one.
Sir, this is time energy for the second experiment.
Let me see. You see here, you plotted the straight line, the total energy. Yes, yes. That should plot with the help of the scale, the upper one. Okay.
Yes, sir, with a scale I've done.
You have plotted. Okay. It is little bit blurry. I can't say that properly. That's what I'm telling you. And another thing, you write at least 5 coordinates for one plot. That is for EK, for EP, for E. Five coordinates for each and every plot. Okay. Or every graph. Get it?
Okay, sir.
Did.
Yes, sir, I'll
Next
write it.
one. Okay.
Sir,
Next
this
one.
is energy
I
and
think
position
this.
graph for second experiment.
Okay. This is very good. You have written the coordinates, I think.
No, sir, not written. I'll write it.
Then why you are making the straight line again the curve? Only you plot the parabola one. Don't
Okay,
join
sir.
with points directly. Okay, that's you have drawn only that in Excel sheet. That's why you are getting the straight line as well as the parabola. Okay,
No, sir, I have drawn it with the
but
pencil.
it is little
Points are
blurry,
plotted.
not clearly visible to me. That's why it is so something different. Let's make that still. It is checking, I think.
Now is it
Evident.
okay?
You have written the coordinates of all the points? Not all the points, at least 5 points. I
I'll
think it's
write it,
okay.
sir. I have not written.
Okay, you're right. For
Okay, sir.
every plot, okay. For kinetic energy,
Yes, sir.
5 points. For potential energy, 5 points. For total energy, 5 points. I think it's
Okay, sir.
okay. Then
Okay,
go to the
sir.
next one. M1, M2.
So this is for M1,
What is the slope we have got?
0.6962.
Okay. Then next one.
So this is M2,
What is the slope we have got here?
1.19.
1.19.
19.
That's okay. Very nice. Okay.
And sir, this is today's experiment.
Let's see. I've got a parabola.
Yes, sir. I have taken the scale 0.015.
Okay. 015 or 025? Scale.
15.
15.
Yes, sir.
I think it will be if we take 0.025 it will be better for you to show those points. 15 is okay. Please blurring, not clearly visible to me. Make that still. I think your hand is shaking.
Take the phone closer to the note, I think.
Okay. You have written the equation on the graph paper.
Yes, sir.
The
Yes, sir.
equation and the value of the scale, everything you have written there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Mute yourself. And
Excuse me, sir.
okay, yes. Who? Akash?
Can I show my other graph?
Yes.
Just a minute. So,
It is not
so
visible.
for M1,
Akash, make that still it is blurring.
wait,
Not visible. Akash.
so,
It is shaking, I think.
yes, one.
Make that still. Not visible at all.
So now,
It is visible little bit, but I can't give any comment here. Yes, yes, yes. No, 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 no.
so now,
Yes, it is little bit visible. This is the which graph?
experiment number 3, M1 for M1.
M1. What is the slope we have got?
So 0.7066.
0.706. Good. Then what's about the M2? Let me show
So,
that. What is the slope we have got?
so it's coming 1.0875.
1.0. Very good. Okay, that's nice.
So
Then
for
value for
experiment number
that?
4, experiment
No.
number 2, sorry.
You see, don't join this as zigzag line, the upper one. You just expand the scale in either axis, both in x-axis as well as in y-axis.
Okay,
Okay?
okay, sir.
And these upper points you see, you have joined this as zigzag points. You have take the maximum points and plot this with the help of a scale, the straight line. The total energy graph should be a straight line.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Don't join points by points. Join with the help of a scale to get a straight line. Okay?
Okay, sir. So,
And today, yeah, the same thing we have done here. Same thing means you have to just expand the scale in both sides, both axes,
okay, sir.
x as well as y.
Okay, sir.
The rest, I think the rest work is okay.
So,
The same thing here also you have to do. Akash,
yes, sir.
you have to total energy graph should be a straight line. Not you have to plot the straight line, the zigzag one.
Okay, sir. I will look into it.
You understand what I am telling you?
Yes, sir.
And you have to plot this only once with parabolic. Don't make that again and again. Okay?
Okay, sir.
I have, yes, I have got here two or three lines. Yeah, you see, no need of joining this point. You can get directly join from this point to this point here, directly like this, to get a parabola. Okay?
Sir, can you repeat?
You don't join this point. You come from here to directly to this point to get a parabola like this. Okay, and here the total this will be straight line like this. Use your scale and plot this. Got it?
Okay, sir.
And expand the scale in both sides, x side as well as your y side. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And you at least write five coordinates for each and every plot. The rest all is okay.
Okay, sir. So, for experiment number 1,
Make that scale, it is not visible to me.
sir, it's actually really weird.
Okay, it is not visible better.
Sir, sir, actually the points are very close to each other, so I couldn't.
No, no, you always listen, Akash. If you take the expanded scale in either side, that is in x-axis and y-axis, then you
Yes,
can plot the graph very neat and clearly.
yes, sir. Yes, sir, I will look into it. Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay, you just expand the scale in both sides, x and y side. I think a little bit, let me see, it is not visible. Let me see. It is not visible to me clearly, that's why I can't give any comment. I think if you expand the, no, make this, rotate this. I can't recognize it properly, okay?
Yes, sir.
But if you
Sir, I
expand,
will I
eh?
should send the graph.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So can I show my all graph?
anybody else who can want to show your graph? Asutosh.
Sir,
Deep, yes. Tell
sir,
me.
I have a doubt in the second graph. Can I show it once to you?
Which graph?
Sir, in the graph of a second experiment,
Second means which experiment that is?
conservation of mechanical energy.
You can show, then I'll tell you, I'll give the comments what you have to do. Okay. I can't show those because everything
Sir,
is deleted
can I
on
show
the.
you?
You
Just
can
for a
show,
moment.
you can show me, then I will tell you what you have to do. Okay. Deep, go ahead.
Sir, can you see my presentation?
It is not visible to me. Make that. Oh, okay, it is coming. Just wait.
So is it okay now?
No, it is not clearly visible. Let's see.
Sir,
This is the first time versus energy graph.
yes, sir. Can you see it, sir? At one point, the graph is going, means kinetic energy is becoming more than total energy. What to do at this point?
Actually, while we are doing this experiment, there needs some ideal condition. Sometimes the air resistance or
This
some
is
other.
not a problem, na? What when this is
Because
going
we
upwards?
are not getting this exactly the straight line. Take the maximum point and plot the straight line. Okay.
So, I have taken regression line, not a
Yes,
straight
yes.
line.
It is very good. But another thing you do here, this
Yes, sir.
is at least write 5 coordinates for each and every
Yes,
graph.
sir. I told you I will do it, sir.
You can do. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the rest only I think it's okay. Very good.
Okay, sir.
And another thing you have not written again, Deep.
Yes, sir. What?
You have to write here, I told you, for kinetic energy, EK, for potential energy, EP, for total energy, here you can write E.
Okay,
I
sir.
think
I'll
here
write
this
it.
is EK, here EP, everything you have to write. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And the next one,
Sir,
I've
this one.
now this very good. Only you have not written the coordinates.
Yes,
Okay?
sir. I'll write the coordinate.
Okay. It's very good. Good one. Here you have plotted the straight line. Very good.
Yes.
But you see, this should be, this is little bit, this is not parallel with this x-axis.
Oh, sir, I did not know you have to make it parallel. I'll make it parallel now.
Okay, okay, very good. Make this parallel with
Yes.
this x-axis, okay?
Okay, sir.
Accordingly, you have to plot out.
Yes, sir. And sir, mm,
You mute yourself. This.
sir, 1 second.
Okay.
Sir, this is today's one.
Yes, you have shown. I have seen that.
Yes, sir.
Very
Okay,
good.
sir.
It's very good.
I thought it was not visible to you, so I showed it also.
I have seen.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you are listening. So you have completed all the four experiment. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That should be noted down in your fair record. It is already told you how to maintain. Yes, any
Yes,
doubt?
sir.
We already told you how to maintain in your fair record. You should maintain experiment number 1, 2, 3, 4. Need it clearly on your fair record and plot the graph. Sorry, paste the graph on the pen pages of your fair record. You have to maintain that index also. That I have shown in the first class. How to maintain that index. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now, sir, what will be the conclusion?
Conclusion. Today's experiment.
Yes, sir.
Today's experiment conclusion. Okay. You see, I am sharing this here. You just write down this. Conclusion is the observed value of acceleration due to gravity in physics lab ITR Swadu Bhubaneswar is found to be this. मतलब the value that you have got for the mean one from the observation table here you see. What is the mean you have got? That should be noted down here. And what is the percentage error you have got? You know the standard value 9.8 meter per second square. You know the observed value. This is your observed value. Then you can find out the percentage of error. That should be noted down here.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt?
So one more time.
You see, the value that you have got here, the mean one I mean. For this 5 observation, you can get 5G, then take the mean, already I told you. That is your observation value. Okay. In error calculation, what you will do? You write here standard value of G. You know what is the standard value of G? 9.8 meter per second square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then this is your observed value that you have got from this table. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. We got a value from the table.
Okay. After that, what will you find the error? Standard minus observed by standard whole modulus into 100. That you can write down here what is the percentage of error in your conclusion. Got it? Yes or no? Tell me. Then I move to the next part.
Yes, sir.
You all clear? So that's about
Yes,
the
sir.
today's experiment. Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir, no doubt.
No. So thank you all. Let's stop here.
Okay.
So let's stop from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Hmm.